So, hello everybody, this is post-surgery wound care, week 2, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's been dressing his wounds every single day, which is fantastic. And your pain has gone down to what number out of 10?
Since from when I had the nail stabbing me and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a 10, now it's a 0.
Oh, fantastic.
It's just itching now, which is just the healing process.
Yeah, fantastic. So it's doing really, really well.
Yeah.
We've got some kind of dry exudate. So we want to remove these because these can inhibit and healing, because in the end we did use phenol. So you can see it's still a bit wet underneath. So you just want to...
And I also want to ask you, you know how my nails orange, orange
so
brownish.
this,
So that's the medicine I've been putting.
It will
Is
go.
that gonna stain or?
It might, but you can use a toothbrush
Okay.
to kind of brush it away. So that is healing really, really well. It still needs a bit more time to heal.
Yeah.
But I'm really, really happy with
So I was gonna go back to work. When was I gonna go back to work? What day is it today?
Today is Thursday.
Thursday. So I was gonna go back to work tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I'm not.
Okay.
I decided to take a whole nother week.
Okay. You don't need another letter, do you?
Huh?
You don't need
no. So I decided to take a whole nother week just to make sure it's fully.
Yeah, because it's not fully
No.
fully here. I'm gonna take your toe up. Take a little tissue here.
Yeah, that's been itchy.
Feels good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
A little cafe.
Oh,
around
good.
my area, yeah.
Oh, fantastic. What's your best? What do you do in the cafe?
What do I do? I'm a barista.
Oh, what is the trick of making a great frappuccino?
Frappuccino.
Yeah.
I don't actually. Frappe takes ice, right?
Yeah.
I don't work with ice. I've never made a frappe. I can tell you a great secret to a great cappuccino.
Okay, tell us what's
The great
the...
secret to a great cappuccino is to not burn the milk, which is hard when you're trying to get frothy milk, because that's what cappuccino is.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure to, it's a trick you can do, which is as you're frothing the milk, to keep adding cold milk, so that it doesn't burn the milk, but still leaves it this nice frothy texture.
Okay.
And chocolate is also a secret.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you don't add too much chocolate, it's not going to taste like cappuccino.
Okay. Good to know, everybody. Do you agree with this barista? His tricks. Do you have any tricks up your sleeve? Comment below.
And also oat milk.
Oat milk.
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Which one has the least calories?
Oat milk.
Oh, okay. Everybody? No.
No. Sorry.
Soya milk.
Soya milk.
Okay. Soya milk.
It's oat milk that has the most.
Yeah.
Coconut has the second most.
Yeah.
And then soya is the least.
Okay. Everybody know is to get a cappuccino with soya milk. So we had loads of scabbing. Now it's still healing. This is 2-week post-op IOD. What we're going to do is just put one more plaster. So I think we can discharge you.
Yeah.
Because it's healing really, really well.
Yeah.
So again, do the same thing. If there's any signs of infection, call me back.
Yeah.
But I think it should be fine. And then we'll wait for 3 to 6 months and see if it wants to regrow back.
Okay.
And then it might mean that we even put the phenol in longer. Let's extend all the way out for me, please. Just start to put the tape on.
By phenol, what do you mean? The acid?
Yeah, the acid block, but I'll refer you to a different procedure. And they will just cut out the roots. So yeah, so this is our post-operative other dressings.